Today, I'm going to show you how to add a follow button to your LinkedIn profile. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to grow your professional network and allow people to follow your updates without needing to connect directly with them. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your profile and settings. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see your profile icon. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can customize how your LinkedIn profile functions and what others can see. Now that you're in the Settings and Privacy area, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a sidebar with different categories. Click on Visibility. This is the section that controls who can see your LinkedIn activity and how people can interact with your profile. Within the Visibility section, scroll down until you find an option labeled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. Directly under this heading, you'll see a subsection called Followers. Go ahead and click on Followers to access the settings that control who can follow you on LinkedIn. Here comes the important part. You'll see several radio button options that determine who has permission to follow your profile. Click on the radio button next to Everyone. By selecting this option, you're allowing anyone on LinkedIn to follow your profile and see your public updates, which is a great way to expand your reach and influence on the platform. Just below that, you'll notice a toggle switch labeled Make Follow Primary. Turn this option on by clicking the toggle. When you enable this feature, the Follow button becomes the primary action on your profile instead of the Connect button. This means that when people visit your profile, they'll be encouraged to follow you first, which is perfect if you want to build a larger following without necessarily accepting every connection request. And that's it. You've successfully added a follow button to your LinkedIn profile. This simple adjustment can help you grow your professional presence and make it easier for people to stay updated with your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.